Okay, why is your content failing you? Why is all this work of you posting and making video after video, following the trends, following what's sexy and what's new, what's getting all the views, why is that not converting for you? Let's break this down and talk about it. A lot of you people that are watching, I presume, will be mostly younger agents. And although you are working hard, and I commend you for it, and I give you all the respect and admiration in the world for actually putting yourself out there and doing the hard work, why are you not getting the business that you know you deserve? Let's talk about that. By the way, my name is Anthony Nucci. I've sold over $100 million, probably $120 million at this point worth of real estate, most of which from cold calling. Now we're on an AI tear and having AI do the majority of the work. But I've done a handful of deals from social media, and I also have 250,000 followers across all platforms to get 6 million views a month. So I do know how to talk on the social media. Anyways, back to our broadcast. When you guys are posting videos of you doing a house tour and walking through the home and demonstrating the quality, the art, the architect, the interior design, the features that like not many people can speak on, you're probably sitting there like, this isn't sexy. I'm posting it and it's not getting a lot of views. It's not getting a lot of views, but it's getting high quality views. You don't need to sell everybody in the world when you're a real estate agent. You want 25 people, 30 people in your market to work with you. That'll make you 300, 400, 500 grand a year. Now, a more mature, older person agent will do this because they're like, well, I'm not going to go into somebody's house and go do a cartwheel on their kitchen island. That makes no sense. Now, a younger person sees the guy that, I don't even know what his name is, the guy that runs around that does the speed tours. I think he's funny, but like nobody's using that guy to buy or sell a house. I'm just telling you guys that right now. But Nucci's getting millions of views. Yes, he's getting millions of views. He might be able to monetize it to do, to sell things to real estate agents, but his audience is now become real estate agents that think it's funny. It's not going to be a home buyer or seller. So let's be real here. There's a difference between the person who gets 25 views that's actually demonstrating their knowledge and expertise versus somebody who's getting 100,000 views who looks like a complete fool.
I have another good point on this.
Yeah.
You know how there's those super heavily edited videos with the captions all look the same and be like, this isn't selling me on that agent. This just means that they have a great videographer.
And they have a great house.
Yeah. But it's just like, find your thing and do that well. What's your skill?
So to piggyback off what you just said, Coleman, I think that every real estate home tour does look the same. The videographer is doing all the heavy lifting. The drone's doing all the heavy lifting. Why do I get so much business? It's because I'm real. I'm talking to you. I'm being real with you guys. I'm showing my lifestyle. I'm showing my pains. I'm showing my strengths. I'm showing the struggle. I'm showing the wins. If all I did was not talk and just show a cool, badass $10 million house, it's not really a hard sell of the house. But when it comes to like, wait, I get clients to maybe come into the properties that I have listed, but I don't get clients to call me to list their house, or I don't get clients to get me to use them to represent them on a purchase, because you're not making the right content. First of all, if you're just like, yeah, give me a call. I used to say that when I got no business. Now, my content is very like, it's a soft call to action. It's like, yeah, I'm stepping in front of this house. I've sold X amount of properties. This is how I negotiate for my clients. I just saved my client $150,000, and this is how we did it. If you guys are looking in the area, we're happy to help you. Like things like that. It's a very soft CTA, but I have to be direct with my messaging. If I'm going to be the guy that sells real estate in Florida on the water, I'm going to be the guy that says I'm selling condo waterfront living or condo oceanfront living in Sunny Isles. If that is the thing, which we're getting to, like building a niche and building a, like, if you're talking to everybody, you're talking to nobody. Like I'm talking to real estate agents all day long. That's all I'm talking to. And if I talk to other people, I could get more views, but it would drown out my audience and it would weaken the impact in the messaging. I want only people that are only in real estate. That's their full-time thing. They need help getting more business, and I know that I can help them unequivocally without a shadow of a doubt, and I want to talk to those people. If that means it's only 100,000, that's fine. I don't want to talk to 50 million people. Let's just go back and be very specific. If I want seller leads, I'm going to make my messaging directed towards sellers. If I want buyer leads, I'm going to make my messaging towards buyers. But again, there's a warm way of doing this and a cold way of doing this. Warm is your organic traffic right now. Like if I was making content and I wanted to get a seller, I would say those are like 5 major things I do every time I list a $5 million property, right? It gives me authority. It shows that I have expertise. It shows that I deal with $5 million homes. Those are the 3 things right there, even if you've never sold a $5 million house. Here's how I would list my next $5 million house, whatever. Now, warm would be that. Selling, cold, running ads on that, you could do the same thing, or you could have the landing page. Or with buyers, what I would do is, that's really working, is I'd make content in front of a badass new construction house, but I would not say where it is exactly or how how much it is exactly. I would say you can buy a house like this in Golden Beach, Florida for less than $2 million, even if that's at $1,999,000 or whatever. But I don't put the exact address. I don't say who the builder is or whatever. Like if Pulte has a whole new subdivision in Houston, Texas, I'd be like, you could buy this house for 2.9% interest. The builder will buy down your rate. Your monthly payment would be $3,000. Or you could buy this $1 million house with a monthly payment of $5,000 and an interest rate of less than 4%. If you're interested in finding out more, let me know. Quick, clear, concise. There's hook, there's a curiosity, there's value, there's showing. You're showing the actual product, but you're not telling them everything because they need you. If you give them everything, they're not going to call you. To conclude, I'm going to tell you guys right now, stop going for views unless you want to be an entertainer. You want to be an entertainer, then go do speed tours and look like an idiot. You want to get real clients that have $1 million, $10 million budgets, go show yourself as the expert. Come clean cut. Don't do this stupid trendy bullshit where you're half naked, girls, or guys jumping on countertops and doing backflips and stupid. It's not cool. It's not funny. And I'm not trying to discourage you guys being like, damn, like, dude, Nucci, you tell me to go for it all. And like, you know, don't let anyone hold you back. I'm being serious. Like, do you. But if you're gonna like just make a complete fool out of yourself as your full-time marketing content strategy, then no, I would highly advise against that. So again, what you can be doing right now, I told you guys there's the ways of running this on cold paid traffic where you can have lead magnets for people to opt into you and call you, which this is what I teach every single Wednesday at 7 p.m. if you guys want to come check it out. The link is in the description. I show agents how to install a lead magnet auto AI lead gen system that gets leads for you. The AI chats for you, puts on a calendar for you, logs in your CRM for you, nurtures the leads for you. And if you guys want to learn how to set this AI lead magnet up and the system up, come to one of our live events. Follow me on Instagram, TikTok, like, comment, share, subscribe, turn on the notification bell. We're going to be turning it up and talking a lot more about AI and how you can get more business with it, how you can be more efficient with it, how you can be more profitable with it, and how you can dominate in 2026, Q3, Q4, and all the years to come. Appreciate you guys. Love you. I'll see you in the next video. I got to go. Peace.